Amid legal proceedings and years of debate, Uganda is drilling oil wells and hopes to begin producing oil by 2025. Both Chinese and French companies are invested in the scheme, involving an over 1,400 kilometers heated oil pipeline to the Tanzanian coast.
Two projects will produce the crude oil. That's the Kingfisher project and the Tilenga project. So those two projects will produce oil, and this produced oil will be commercialized through two other projects: the East African crude oil pipeline that will run from here, Hoima, to Tanzania to export crude oil, and then the Uganda refinery project that will be used to process our crude oil into petroleum products for use.
There are, however, some concerns. 52-year-old Juliet Akumu got a house adjacent to the development area but says she is now worried about environmental pollution from the oil field. The major problem we have experienced so far was a couple of days ago when there was a huge dust that originated from the construction site, and all of us were covered in that dust. Some oil wells are to be drilled within Uganda's Murchison Falls National Park. The pipeline will then pass through 7 forest reserves and 2 game parks running alongside Lake Victoria.
I believe a lot of the issues being raised by the activists are out of either misinformation or deliberate disinformation. Because as government and the project partners, we have taken deliberate steps to ensure that the oil and gas projects are developed sustainably. We've taken care of the environment and biodiversity concerns.
Uganda is estimated to have recoverable oil reserves of at least 1.4 billion barrels. Drilling began in January this year, and the project is expected to be completed within 2 years.